Hey D Squad, what's up?
How we are doing? Welcome back to the Delbert family.
Yes. Today, guys, we're all the way in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
At Jack Sprat restaurant.
Yes.
Alright. We're right on the beachfront, as you can see, guys. The water right behind us. Right? We heard about this place. They have fabulous food. So we come to check it out and very nice scenery as well. You know, so we come to catch some of the sights and sounds all our go on, guys. So
check it out with us, guys. So come, we're gonna eat food.
this is Jack Sprat, Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Yeah. Yeah. I do some repairs, on the spot repairs.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to come here for quite some time, you know? Yeah. Check out the site and everything. There's a beach down there. Alright, so the place is very beautiful, you know, much to my expectation, you know, very relaxing as well. Alright, so now we'll go over to the restaurant, put in our order, guys, so come along. Guys, they have an extensive menu, right? Whole heap of different options. Unless I'm never sure what I get right now, you know? What you feel like you want, babe? What you feel like you want?
I'm gonna go with a burger.
Burger? Did you see say they want a burger?
Well, I know what you want. You want fish.
Then you can get, burger.
You can get.
Alright, fine. If you want burger, you can take a burger.
Can get fish too.
Eh?
Fish is an option. Can get fish. Like we are, guys, we are enjoying the view. Like, let me turn around.
It's perfect.
Look at that.
It's perfect. Perfect.
I don't know if you can see it properly. I don't think they're seeing it properly, you know, babe. This is what it means to be sun-kissed. Look at my face. This is sun-kissed, you know, babe. Come be sun-kissed with me. Come be sun-kissed.
Nice,
with
right?
me.
Yeah, food look nice, eh? Smell nice too. Yeah.
So we both got steamed fish.
Yeah.
Adrian's favorite.
Yep.
Taste good.
See, my festival. Come, give me my festival. A whole heap of staple there, fries too.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're bossy. You're bossy. This looks nice though.
Yeah.
This looks nice. Food are really good, you know. perfect scene, you know?
Guys, here's what. Guys, so the sun is going down. It's a really nice environment. Them ice cream can actually go up to 40 to be developed.
I'm gonna tell you that now.
This is 600, but there's always $800. Milkshake is cherry and chocolate. I can definitely taste the cherry in it. So thumbs up to that, and I get this as a hint of chocolate, and not too much to overpower it, but
You like it?
yeah.
Okay.
Ice cream milkshake is definitely going to be a good hit.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. This place is really nice. We definitely recommend it.
It's all good.
We're at the drive coming out here. You know? Definitely we're at the drive.
Definitely a good combo. Beach and food.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You just keep with the bami down now.
The bami, did you see the bami?
Them things are still cassava.
No, I don't know them things that bami. But I eat festival.
And them prices nobody there now. Because each of these is for few thousand. You know? Everything here came up to 6,000 what? 6,200.
Drive here is a bit long,
Yeah.
but it's worth it.
So from the intersection, well, Lacovia, out the main there,
Yeah.
it's around half an hour to here. You know? St. Elizabeth sunset, guys. Beautiful, right? St. Elizabeth sunset. Treasure Beach. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Amazing.
Hey guys, so basically the sun is setting. I don't know if I'm doing a good job of showing you that, but yeah, I'm still enjoying my sun-kissed moment. Sunset. Babe is right here behind me, and it was a good vibe, a good chill spot that we found today. It's always good when we go on road trips. I enjoy so much. Just one of those moments like with behind me. The atmosphere is just look. I think those are villas behind me. But yeah, it's just always a good time. Because we always have a good time when we come out on the road together. Just chilling and vibing alone. Yeah, so next time you see us come on the road, we're probably gonna have our babies with us. We have to learn to chill and vibe with them. But we really enjoy ourselves at this place. The sea is right behind me right here. Nice atmosphere. This is definitely like a good end to our road trip to St. Elizabeth. I explored a different side of St. Elizabeth today. So normally when I come to St. Elizabeth, it's normally a family event where I'm linking up with other family members, family reunion. That's always a theme when I come to St. Elizabeth. But this trip is totally different and I'm loving it. I'm loving every single minute of it. I'm seeing a different side of St. Elizabeth as well. Because this side is closer to the sea. We went up in the hills today and that was just so awesome. Here is baby.
Yeah.
Yes, I was saying that normally when we come to St. Elizabeth, normally family reunion vibes, but today we went to a totally different side of St. Elizabeth which we love. We saw some really nice communities, some nice homes. Up on top of the hill near Lovers Leap, we go to south. Like the house of this is shot. The community is
nice, man.
Yeah, and the community is nice and relaxed. Yeah, the community is nice and relaxed. So we had a really good time just driving through that community and just basically vibing in the car, also talking about a lot of stuff. We never get to go to Lovers Leap, sadly. Right?
They're closed.
Yeah, they're closed for some reason. I don't know why you're closed. I don't have it up on the website. So what? Anyways, so we really got a really good view. Yo, the view up on that hill of the sea is amazing. And we got to take all that in. So we enjoy ourselves today. Seeing a different side of Jamaica. Seeing what somewhere else has to offer. Sometimes we use the Kingston too much, you know.
Just put you on Montego Bay.
Yeah, so we go there so often, we just get so used to it. We don't know what the other parts of Jamaica has to offer, and same best offer is offering up some good stuff, alright? Yeah.
We'll definitely be back, guys. Trust me, we'll definitely be back.
Definitely.
The food is good, right? The scenery awesome, everything nice. We're gonna come back.
Definitely. This one, you know what it is, you come over here, right?
Of course.
So thank you for tuning in to another Delphi family vlog.
Of course.
Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. Ensure the setting is on all so you know every time we upload a video.
Yeah, guys.
I know we have more good content coming your way.
Yes. Just hit that video right beside here. Right? Coming up now. You can just watch that video. Alright? Continue to enjoy the Delprat family.
Yes.
Peace out, guys.
Bye, guys.